Do you know that you have making your rosemary oil in a wrong way? Yes. On today's video, I will show you the perfect way to prepare your rosemary oil to get the most powerful, potent, effective results. I will take you step by step on how you can make this rosemary oil in a perfect way and also know how to use it to boost that crazy hair growth. So you don't need to skip this video if you really want to know the best way, the effective way to make rosemary oil to get the most powerful, effective result, to boost that hair growth, to stimulate that blood flow in your scalp, and also to use this rosemary oil to grow your hair like never before. To prepare this most powerful, potent rosemary oil, first thing you need is your dry rosemary leaf. This technique on how to make this rosemary oil is the best. I know you have seen a lot of videos on how to make rosemary oil, but don't worry, this video I'm about to share with you is different from those videos you have seen before. This is the right way to make your rosemary oil and to grow that crazy hair growth you desire. Just keep on watching. Don't be in a hurry to click out in this video. Watch this video to the end. If you want to boost that crazy hair growth using only rosemary oil, you need to watch this video to the end. Next thing is to bring my dry blending cup to transfer 4 tablespoons of my dry rosemary leaf. Please, if you want to make bigger oil, please increase the measurement of the dry rosemary leaf for you to get best results. And also, it's very important you turn your rosemary leaf into a powder form. That's why this is #1 point for you to get the best result in using this oil. Okay, after blending it, I pour it into this my jar container to move on to the next process. So what I will do now is to bring my oil, my carrier oil, and make use of my extra virgin olive oil. Use any carrier oil of your choice, but preferable if you have extra virgin olive oil, please make use of it, because extra virgin olive oil penetrates deeply into your hair. Okay, and there's more tip I will sharing with you about extra virgin olive oil. So I use 1.5 cup of my extra virgin olive oil. Then I will stir this around to move on to the next process. This video will help you to understand the perfect, potent, effective way to make your own homemade rosemary oil to grow your hair, boost that faster hair growth you desire. Okay, just try to watch this video to the end to understand the process on this video. My water is already boiling before I transfer my mid jar container on top of it. So while I transfer this thing on top of the water, make sure that you keep on stirring it, okay, so that this will properly infuse very well. And don't allow your fire or your light to be very high. Just very low flame light. The way you see my own is very low flame. Okay, so I will leave this for 5 to 7 minutes, but I'll keep on stirring it. It's very important you keep on stirring this, okay, so that you get the best results. Once it's that 5 to 7 minutes mark, I will off the lights and cover the jar. Keep it away in a cool dark place, to infuse for 3 weeks. Yes, to infuse this oil in a cool dark place in 3 good weeks. This is the one of the way you can get the most powerful, potent, effective rosemary oil. It not end there. Keep on watching to see what next you're supposed to do to get that best results. After 3 weeks is over, do you see how my rosemary oil look like? Remember how this rosemary oil was coloring for the first day we are infusing this? After 3 weeks, do you see how this rosemary oil is coloring? This rosemary oil is the most powerful, potent, effective rosemary oil we ever used before. This is the solution to that your faster hair growth. Rosemary is very potent in boosting your hair growth. Using this rosemary oil, you will see that crazy bush, thicker, longer hair growth. Like as I said, you may be using this rosemary oil in a wrong way, and I will show you today the perfect way to use your rosemary oil to boost that faster hair growth. I have shown you how to infuse this rosemary oil, the best way to infuse this rosemary oil to boost that crazy hair growth. It remaining on how to use it to boost that your crazy hair growth. Do you see how rich this rosemary oil is? Do you see how potent this rosemary oil is? This is the best way to infuse your rosemary oil to get the most powerful, effective result on it. After straining it, I transfer into my oil container to store my rosemary oil. The most powerful, effective rosemary oil is ready. The color of this rosemary oil is on point. It's very, very potent, and the scent of this rosemary oil is in heaven. Next thing now, I will demonstrate to you on how to use this oil. There are different ways for you to use this oil to get that best results, and I will tell you they are among the best way to use them to get that best results. So this is how my rosemary oil is looking like. Guys, I'm super excited to share this powerful rosemary oil with you guys. If you have watched up to this point, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much. Let me know in comment section below. Comment in comment section below. Say yes, I have watched up to this point, and I will be very happy to see that comment. My hair is in protective hairstyle. I will use this rosemary oil now to moisturize my hair. But before I apply this rosemary oil on my hair is already damp. Don't use it on a dry hair, on a dry scalp. Make sure that you damp your hair. The best way to get another effective way is to use your rosemary water to moisturize your hair, to hydrate your hair first, and use this rosemary oil to stay in that moisture. In that case, your hair will grow like never before. But if you don't have rosemary water at that moment, you can use any of your hair tea spray you have around you. But I advise you to prepare rosemary water, to use it together with this rosemary oil. In that way, you will see the magic result happen. Use it as your sealant. Second way to use this rosemary oil to get best results is to use it as a pre-poo. Pre-poo will help you a lot to keep your hair super moisturized, shiner, prevent your hair from drying. And also, you can also use this rosemary oil as a hot oil treatment. That's where this rosemary oil can penetrate into your scalp very well and promote blood flow to your scalp. While using it as a hot oil treatment, don't make it very hot for you to burn your scalp. Please, whenever I use this rosemary oil, please make sure to massage your scalp for me. You will get the best result on it. Among all the best way I share with you is only 2 ways you can use this rosemary oil and get best results. That is using it as a sealant and also using it as a hot oil treatment. In that case, your hair will grow like crazy. I hope this video is very helpful to you. I don't want this video to be too long. There's a lot of tips on how you use rosemary oil to boost crazy hair growth. If you need more tips on how to make use of rosemary oil for best results, please let me know in comment section below and I'll make that video for you. Okay guys, I have come to end of today's video. I hope this video is very helpful to you. If you have not subscribed up to this point, please help me to click on that subscribe button, and once you subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so YouTube will notify you whenever I upload a new video. Please, if you have not liked the video, please, and enjoyed this video, please help me to click on that like button, and once you like, it really helps the growth of the channel and also encourage me to bring out more cool content for you guys. Okay, lastly, share this video to your family and friends so that they will get the good news on how to make the most powerful, potent, effective rosemary oil. Okay, so guys, I've come to end of today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you most. See you guys on my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.